friends, and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful recipe which is Indo-Chinese recipe, which is chicken lollipops, a favorite of all. And to do this, let's go and start it. So to start with the chicken lollipop, here I've got at least 500 to 600 grams of chicken niblets. I'm using chicken niblets rather than using chicken wings, and it's easy to clean. Just clean it with the knife over here on the side and just pull it out, and that's how the flesh is going to remain. Okay, now let's season with the salt. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now let's marinate this completely and leave it aside for 30 minutes. Make sure you marinate very well. And meanwhile, after this, we can prepare the batter for this. Now in a separate bowl, let's take a half cup of cornflour. And in the same measuring cup, let's take another half cup of plain flour. Let's add some salt to balance the taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can use accordingly to the spiciness you require. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed pepper powder. Add 1 egg. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Make sure you're using a little bit of water at time and try to mix it so that the consistency is very thick and it's not very runny. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add a little bit of food color. The food color is optional. If you want to give for kids and you don't want to use food color, it's absolutely up to you. So now once the batter is ready, now we're going to dip all the chicken that we had marinated. We're going to put it in that bowl. Now let's mix this all very well. Now let's leave this aside just for 10 minutes. Until then, we can heat up the oil. So the oil is hot now. I've already checked it. Now we're going to dip the chicken to get it fried. Now I'm going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes on a high flame until the chicken gives us a very good crispiness. So friends, my first round of chicken lollipop is ready. As you see, it's a very good texture of these lollipops, a very good meat size as well. So let's go and remove this aside and start with the others to fry. So friends, our chicken lollipops are ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final words to say, adios.